The Gobi Desert, one of the world's largest and most iconic deserts, stretches across northern China and southern Mongolia, covering a vast and mesmerizing expanse of arid landscapes. Despite its harsh and seemingly inhospitable environment, the Gobi Desert offers a range of unique attractions and experiences that draw adventurous travelers and nature enthusiasts from around the globe. The Gobi Desert is renowned for its dramatic and ever-changing landscapes, featuring towering sand dunes, rugged mountains, vast plains, and rocky canyons. The Kongaran Els, also known as the Singing Sand Dunes, are among the most famous and awe-inspiring dunes in the desert. Climbing to the top of these dunes provides breathtaking views of the surrounding desert, and the sand's unique acoustics create a musical phenomenon when the dunes sing in response to the wind. The Gobi is a place of natural wonders, and one of the most remarkable is the Flaming Cliffs, Bayanzag, a paleontological site where the world's first dinosaur eggs were discovered by Roy Chapman Andrews's expedition in the 1920s. Fossil enthusiasts can explore the site and uncover remnants of ancient creatures that once roamed this desert. The diverse flora and fauna of the Gobi Desert are testament to its adaptability and resilience. The desert is home to unique species like the wild Bactrian camel, snow leopards, and the elusive Gobi bear. Birdwatchers can spot various avian species, including the endangered Hubara bustard, in the desert's oases and rocky outcrops. The Gobi Desert is also a land of contrasts, with extremes in temperature that fluctuate dramatically between seasons. Winters can be bitterly cold, with temperatures plummeting well below freezing, while summers can be scorching hot. This climatic diversity adds to the desert's allure, offering opportunities for ice climbing, snowshoeing, and even skiing in the winter, while the warmer months are ideal for camel treks, hiking, and exploring the desert's hidden treasures. Nomadic herders and their traditional jairs, yurts, dot the Gobi's vast expanses, offering a glimpse into the traditional Mongolian way of life. Visitors can engage with these hospitable communities and learn about their customs, cuisine, and the art of survival in this challenging environment. Stargazing in the Gobi Desert is a mesmerizing experience, as the lack of light pollution allows for unparalleled views of the night sky. The Milky Way and constellations come to life, creating an unforgettable celestial spectacle for astronomy enthusiasts and dreamers alike. In essence, the Gobi Desert is a land of rugged beauty and ancient mysteries, where the allure of untouched wilderness and the resilience of life in extreme conditions combine to create a captivating destination. Whether it's climbing towering sand dunes, unearthing ancient fossils, interacting with nomadic communities, or simply gazing at the starry expanse, the Gobi Desert invites intrepid travelers to embark on a journey of discovery and wonder in this magnificent desert realm.